Hello, welcome to luisitabakes and my first fall baking video for this year. I'm making this amazing pumpkin Oreo cheesecake. Let's get started. The first step is to make the Oreo crust. For that we need 3 cups of Oreo crumbs and combine it with about 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix it until it resembles wet sand. Prepare a cheesecake pan. So spray it with baking oil and then line it with a parchment paper round. Then fill in the cookie crumb mixture and press it down to form the crust. Bake it for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the cheesecake filling. For that we need 24 ounces of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, and for better flavor 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. Mix it on a low speed until it's really smooth. Then add 1/3 cup of Oreo filling for more sweetness, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar, which gives this really nice flavor. Then also add 1/4 cup of sour cream and mix it in. Let's add a 15-ounce can of pumpkin and about 3 teaspoons of vanilla for really nice flavor. Mix it until it's smooth. Then add the eggs and as a last step add some mini chocolate chips, and that's it. Now let's take the batter and fill it into the cooled crust. Doesn't it look really yummy? Smooth it with a spatula and then bake it for about 70 minutes. While the cake is cooling, let's make the chocolate whipped cream. For that we need about 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and 1 1/4 cups of very cold heavy cream. Whisk it with the whisk attachment of the hand mixer until stiff peaks form. That looks about right. When the cake is ready, top it with a layer of chocolate ganache and then smooth it with a spatula. Let it cool in the fridge for about 10 minutes so that the ganache is time to set, and then add some nice swirls of the chocolate whipped cream. Decorate the cake with some pumpkin marshmallows, and you can sprinkle some mini chocolate chips on top as well. And that's it. This is my pumpkin Oreo cheesecake with mini chocolate chips and a nice chocolate ganache. You can find the recipe in the description, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss out on any new videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Happy baking! Bye!